Tools are incredibly important when you sell on Amazon. They provide accurate data, product research, product sourcing, inventory management, customer feedback, and so much more. Tools can help you manage your time and automate a lot of the tasks that can help you succeed on Amazon. So we've put together our favorite Amazon FBA tools that you can use to sell successfully on Amazon in the Middle East. You'll find these tools on our website separated into 3 main sections. Section number 1 would be the product research software. Section number 2, the business tools. Section number 3, management and other interesting tools. Now, we haven't only added tools, we've also added service providers that can help you with a lot of things that you require as an Amazon seller based in the Middle East.
And if you want to win a consultation call with me, all you need to do is like, comment, and subscribe. And the winner of this week's video is this comment.
But let's first of all look at the first section, which is product research tools. We've added several tools, and we've mostly tried to add tools that can help you if you want to sell on Amazon in the Middle East. Such as, one of the tools is Helium 10. You know that we've talked about Helium 10 multiple times on the channel, and we've featured the Helium 10 team in a lot of the videos. So Helium 10, just to give you a general idea, is an e-commerce tool that encompasses everything an Amazon seller needs. For you as an Amazon seller in the Middle East, especially it's currently working on the UAE market, I think you can use Helium 10 the best way in order to, number 1, find products to sell, number 2, figure out if they're gonna be profitable, yes or no.
I'm on the Helium 10 dashboard and I entered into the tools menu just to show you exactly how many tools Helium 10 actually has. Helium 10 also has a Chrome extension, which you can use. It's a drop-down menu that you can use while you are on Amazon. As you can see, they have product research features, they have listing optimization features, as well as keyword research features and tools that are also working now on Walmart, by the way. And a lot of analytical features. But most importantly, they also have a learning academy where you can learn things like PPC. You can also learn how to sell on Amazon, in-depth training, and of course, training as to how to use Helium 10. You can get a special discount code that is special for Amazon Sellers Society. Of course, you'll find it on the FBA ToolKit page on our website.
Now, let's move on to business tools. Here I want to highlight 2 tools. The first tool being the Amazon Sellers Society tool, which is called Sellers Society, which is a tool that we launched in 2022. This tool is primarily made for anyone that is currently selling on Amazon. First of all, it's going to support you with getting some customer reviews, and it has a review automation built into it. But number 2, I think it's very, very powerful because it's going to help you know exactly how much profit, not revenue, profit you are making on Amazon.
So Sellers Society is an easy-to-use tool by anyone. I'm going to show you a couple of features that I think are very important. The first feature is the review management, which automatically sends an email to the customer. You can decide what you want. You can do a delivery after as many days as you like, but we have it set up for the minimum, which is 5 days. So it automatically sends the review request to the customer without you having to do it manually. But it is a smart way because if the product has been canceled or returned, then it will not send an email requesting a review from the customer because most likely we're going to get a negative review. And you can see the schedule, you can see how many reviews have been sent and how many reviews have been excluded and the total number of orders. Also, one very important feature is the product profit feature because it does take into consideration your ad spend as well as the cost of goods. So this is where you upload the cost of goods very easily. You just tell the system exactly how much money you paid for the product, and then it will calculate on a real-time analytical basis exactly how much money you're making. And then you can also manage your inventory. You'll click the P&L sheet, and in the P&L sheet, you'll know exactly how much money you're making per product. Right here, we find that the profit for this product is actually 6.3%, which is very low, taken into consideration everything, including the ads. And you can easily see exactly how many products are profitable right here in our green light or traffic light system rather. The green gives you an idea of the products that are profitable. In this case, there's 32 products, 2 products are break even, and 24 products are unprofitable. This is going to help you understand why they're not profitable and what you need to do. Maybe you're spending too much money on ads, maybe you're selling the product at a very low cost, and some changes need to be made.
Tool number 2 under this section, not really a tool, but rather than a service maybe, Payoneer. So for anyone that's selling cross-border on multiple marketplaces and using money under different currencies and sending money back and forth, it would be very beneficial to have an account on Payoneer, because that's exactly what Payoneer provides. Once you open a Payoneer account, then you will have multiple currencies, up to 5 different currency accounts that you can use when you're selling on platforms like Amazon. So for example, if you live in the US and you're selling on Amazon in the UAE, then you can get either a dirhams account or a US account and use that as your deposit method on Amazon. And then once the money is in Payoneer, you can either use it for yourself by using the Payoneer MasterCard, so you can just cash it out and use the money for anything that you like. You can use it for advertising online or anything, or you can use that money to actually procure and pay your supplier and procure more products. So I myself am the brand ambassador for Payoneer in the GCC region. And again, you'll find a lot of information about Payoneer on the channel because we've featured them a lot. We think they're a great asset to anyone that's selling online, or even if you're not selling online, they're very, very good for you if you have your own online business, or if you're a freelancer, if you want to get paid by customers from different currencies without losing the exchange that you normally lose when you use a standard and traditional bank account. And for our third and final section, I focused on adding a lot of 3PLs, third-party logistics providers, which are exactly what you need when you want to sell in a marketplace like the UAE, because when you start your journey on Amazon, you're not going to have a lot of inventory allocated for your account. In fact, you can only store 300 units inside of the Amazon fulfillment centers when you get started. So if you order more than that, if you are a brand that's selling products in other marketplaces and you want to enter into the market with multiple products and SKUs, then you definitely need a third-party logistics provider. Not only that, 3PLs can also warehouse your product, but also they can support you if you want to sell omni-channel. So if you want to sell on Amazon, Noon, on your own website, anywhere and everywhere, they can support you. They could be your hub of a warehouse and you can sell anywhere that you like. So we've added a lot of 3PLs into the section. We've also added tax companies. So taxes and VAT taxes is one thing that you need to think about if you are selling as an international seller. We've added the companies that we've worked with previously that can support you with registering your VAT either in the UAE or if you want to sell in Europe as well. So what are you waiting for? Go to our website right now and check out our Amazon FBA toolkit. I'll leave the link in the description box of this video, and make sure you watch this video to learn how to find a successful product to sell on Amazon using Helium 10's black box. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.